Hey everybody, Brandon Railway here. Wanted to show you all the new Christmas train I got. This is a Piko analog or DC train set. Nice little starter set for 119 bucks from Train World. You get to see Chessie sitting there watching the train go around. She loves watching the trains. But yeah, nice little starter set to go around the Christmas tree. 119 from Train World comes with a little passenger car, little box car, and a gondola. So, wanted to show you guys a quick little video of it running around here. Comes with its own track and little controller and everything you need to be able to run it. Nice little starter set for going around your Christmas tree. So, for now, because Catzilla is getting ready to pounce, this is Brandon Railway signing off.